to all my viewers, my friends and families. At I'm going to have a vlog today about the bark of the tree. So let's go. Let's see what's interesting about it. So stay tuned. So we have so many bark of trees here, no? Look at this, many kinds of trees. As I told you, na what is the weekend benefits of this bark, no? It's a food for survival. It's mm, a lot of bark of the trees. So this is bark, the bark of the tree. So papakita ko po sa inyo ito. Ang laki-laki itong bark na ito, ang ganda. Sa Pilipinas maraming ganito. Pero dito, ito talaga malaki talaga ito siya nga bark. Tree. Yan. This beautiful bark. It's a bark. So beautiful, like this. So yung bark na ito is the outermost layers of stems, yung sa kahoy, yung stem niya. So the bark is the outermost layers of stems and roots of woody plants. Plants with bark include trees, woody vines, and shrubs. Bark refers to all tissues outside the vascular cambium, and as a non-technical term, it overlays the wood and consists of the inner bark and the outer bark. Yan. Maganda-ganda kapatid. So, yan, ang bark na yan. So, sa kabila, nakita natin na wala siyang ganito na tumubo. So, dito sa bark, mayroong ditong makikita tayong mga iba't ibang yan. Even may mushroom doon sa loob na tumubo. So, this is also part of the bark of this beautiful tree. No? Yan. Yan. So, ganda-ganda. So, magtatanong tayo kung bakit kaya tayo pinuputol itong kasi pag malaki na po yung kahoy, pinuputol po kasi delikado. Kaya pag naputol na siya, so na siya, naging ganito na, tsaka na siya, tawagan na bark na siya. So most of inner bark contains a surprising amount of digestible starches. Oh, wow, it's a really good information, right, all my viewers? Ang bark pala, nagko-contain siya ng surprising amount of digestible starches, some sugar, vitamins, minerals, and the bark also has tons of fiber. So brace yourself for a good internal scrubbing. Yung ginagamit pang scrub. At least one native tribe is well known for making a bark an important part of their daily diet. Wow, no? We don't know na ito palang bark na ito ay mayroong surprising na mga nutrition na makukuha. Wow, we don't know that. We always, ignore it. So, ninyo, yung sinabi ko, narinig ninyo? Mayroon siyang amount of digestible starches, some sugar, vitamins, minerals, and the bark also has a tons of fiber. Wow, wow. Ang galing naman. Magaling. Marami palang mga magagandang makukuha natin dito sa na yan, bark na yan, no? Galing. And also they use for survival. Yung mga ano, ito. Itong bark na ito. Tinatawag na survival foods. Itong bark. So, may mga tanong, what is the bark of a tree used for? Yung one of the bark has been used to make cloth. Wow, ginagawa ito ng damit. Canoes and ropes, and used as surface for painting and map making. A number of plants are also grown for their attractive or interesting bark colorations and surface textures, or their bark is used as a landscape mulch. Galing. And then, what is bark and how it is formed? Tanong. No? So, bark has 3 layers. So, 3 layers pala itong bark na ito. Galing, ha? That's really good. That's a good, a lot of information. The outer, yung mga outer na ganito. Itong outer dito sa bark, yan. The outer layer called periderm. So, kapatid, ito yung outer. Ang tawag dito is periderm. Kung sa science, periderm ito. So, the periderm is made of dead cells. Ito, mga dead cells ito. Dead cells. And such as cork. As wood is laid down inside a shoot, a layer of cells near the outer side begins to divide and produce cork cells. So the walls of the cell soon get heavily thickened with a waterproof substance. The cells die and form bark. Yan. So what happens when you ring bark a tree? So when a tree has been damaged by removing a ring of bark, the tree may die depending on how completely it was grown. So without this food, the roots ultimately die and cease sending water and minerals to the leaves. Then the leaves die. But look at the leaves still growing. They are on the top. What's amazing, no? Really amazing creation. Does tree bark grow back? Of course, like this. Nag-grow po sa top. Doon, akala mo pinutol na, pero hindi. Nag-grow, may nag-grow doon sa taas. So, a tree's bark is like our skin. Mga kapatid, you have to remember that. It's like our skin. If it comes off and exposes the inner layer of live tissue to disease and insect infestation, it does not grow back. A tree will heal around the edge of the wound to prevent further injury or disease, but it will not grow back over a large area. Galing, galing. So, can you eat bark from trees? The question? Yes, you can eat tree bark as a safe and nutritious wild food as long as you are using the right part of the bark from the right species of tree. The bark section of choice for food is the cambium layer, which lies right next to the wood. Wow, 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 wow. Ang galing, galing. Galing ng information natin about this bark. Just imagine we can eat this, guys, mga kapatid. The bark. So beautiful. Beautiful bark of the trees. Yeah. So what is the difference between bark and cork? Ano dong diferensya ng bark and cork kaya? So, cork and bark are two outer components of woody plants. Bark is composed of cork, cambium, piloderm, and cortex, and the secondary phloem. The main difference between cork and bark is their structure and function, and cork serves as a protective barrier, whereas bark has other functions such as storage and transport. Galing-galing. Galing-galing mga kapatid, diba? It's really good. That's a very good information about the bark. So beautiful. I hope nag-i-enjoy po kayo sa information ng bark na ito. So beautiful bark. Mga kapatid, it's beautiful bark. So nice, beautiful. So I hope nag-i-enjoy po kayo, mga kapatid. So my friends and families, my viewers, thank you very much for stay tuned and listening to this about the bark of the tree, and hope that you will find something very educational that you get about the bark. You know, yung pinakita ko is so beautiful, right? So thank you so much for watching my video, and I hope that you like it. And if you like, please share and comments, and pag hindi ka pa nakasubscribe, please subscribe my channel. So I hope you like my vlog today, and God bless you. Thank you. Bye.